Ready to become a TikTok creator? Let's get you signed up. First, grab your smartphone and head to either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Depending on your device, in the search bar, type TikTok and tap the search icon. Find the TikTok app. It has a white T on a black background. Tap the download or get button to start the download and installation process. Wait for the app to install completely. Once the app is done installing, locate the TikTok icon on your home screen. Tap it to launch the app. Now, you'll be presented with several sign-up options. You can sign up with your Google account, Apple account, or your email or phone number. Select which option you'd like to proceed with. For this example, tap on Sign Up with Email or Phone Number. Next, enter your phone number or tap on Email if you want to use an email address instead. After your phone number or email is entered, tap Next. Now, create a secure password to protect your account. Make sure it's something you'll remember. Then tap Next. The next step is personalizing your profile. Enter your desired username. This will allow people to find and connect with you. Then, add a profile picture. You can upload one from your phone or take a new photo directly within the app. Congratulations, you're in. You'll be taken to your For You page, or FYP, which is TikTok's personalized feed. Start swiping up to discover exciting content. Want to create your own videos? Tap the plus icon at the bottom to start filming. You can record directly within the app, upload from your camera roll, and add music, effects, and so much more. To personalize your profile further, tap on the profile icon, which represents a person with an outline. From there, you can tap Edit Profile to customize your bio, add links, and more. And that's how to set up a TikTok account. Practice makes perfect, so start creating. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more social media tips. Happy TikToking!